Before we get to our next chapter on conditionals and loops, you need to know what an operator is and how to use them in PHP. An operator is a decision maker in PHP. You use it to help complete an operation, from something as simple as addition or multiplication to a more complex and/or statement. We will begin with the basic operators such as the arithmetic ones and cover advanced operators such as conditional operators in the next movie. The first operator is one you're already familiar with, the assignment operator. This is the equal sign. When defining a variable, you name the variable, then assign the equal sign, the value to that variable. Thus, the equal sign is the assignment operator. Next, arithmetic operators. The four that you know from basic math: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And there is also a modulus operator, which I'll explain in a moment. The basic use of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operators are just as you would expect. You type in a number or reference the variable, the operator sign, and then another number or reference to a variable. The results are printed out or assigned to the new variable. You can see different examples of how the operators are used here. Precedents in which mathematical operations are executed are multiplication, division, modulus, addition, and subtraction. You can specify precedents with round brackets, as here, just like in regular mathematics. Now, a modulus operator is a kind of subset of division, but instead of the result of division, it is the remainder of division. For example, if you divide 10 by 3, in whole numbers, the result is 3. But the modulus, or the remainder of this division, would be 1. So you can see, if we do it backwards, 3 times 3 is 9. So your remainder is 1. So 10 modulus 3, or 10 divided by 3, has a remainder of 1. This is an extremely useful function for decision making. For example, if you do one thing on an even number and one thing on an odd number, you can write a modulus 2 or a mod 2 on your number. The result will either be a 1 or a 0. If 0, then it is even. If 1, then it is odd. Do the math. It does work. Another operator that will come in handy is the error control operator, or the @ symbol. Sometimes you do not want PHP to spit errors out on the page for your users to see. You could turn off error reporting, but you may not have control of that on your server. So you can suppress an error by placing an @ symbol in front of the statement or function you are calling. For example, in this arithmetic operation, we have division by 0. If I were to call this on a browser, we'd get an error, division by 0. But if I don't actually want to see this error, I put that @ symbol in front, and voila, no more error. An error still happens, but it is not reported to the browser. Use this with caution. More than once, I have suppressed error reporting for something, and then spent hours debugging a script only to find the error was occurring on a line that I had suppressed errors for. Next, we have an operator we have seen just recently. That is the concatenation operator. This simply combines the text or variable before the operator with the one after it. It concatenates it. The concatenator variable can also be used in conjunction with the assignment operator, as we see here. This is a very useful operator to remember, as you will use it often.